In today's episode of Color Me Flared, we are going to discuss the profession of aerospace engineering, which is one of the top 10 highest paid careers. Who is aerospace engineer? The design, development, testing, and production of aircraft, spacecraft, and associated systems and equipment fall within the purview of aerospace engineering. The two main and overlapping sections of the field, aeronautical engineering and astronautical engineering, have historically concentrated on issues relating to air and space flight. The theory, technique, and application of flight within the Earth's atmosphere are the main topics of aeronautical engineering. The science and technology of spacecraft and launch vehicles are the main areas of interest in astronautical engineering. An aircraft engineer may be the ideal career choice for you if you enjoy creating and manufacturing flying machines. What do they study? They are largely engaged in the design of aircraft and propulsion systems, as well as the analysis of the aerodynamic properties of building materials. They are involved in the study, development, and application of atmospheric flying. You will be prepared for the designing, development, testing, maintenance, and operation of military and commercial aircraft, as well as their parts, by taking this course. Although aeronautical engineers often don't pilot planes, they undoubtedly make a significant contribution to the aviation industry. Aerospace engineers don't travel to other planets. Using computer technology and testing facilities, they inspect the spacecraft and aircraft, as well as develop them. What do they do exactly? Aircraft, spaceships, missiles, and other flying items are all designed by aerospace engineers. Another crucial aspect of the job is making prototypes of these designs and testing them, in order to make sure that the concept adheres to particular moral, safety, and environmental criteria. They could also assess the designs created by other engineers. Aerospace engineers frequently supervise construction projects as well, making sure that deadlines are met. Typically, an aerospace engineer will work with either spacecraft or airplanes, depending on whether their specialty is aeronautical design or astronautical design. As you gain more expertise in the area, you could also need to supervise and manage these procedures. When planning and building, aerospace engineers frequently work with other engineers or construction experts. Aerospace engineers create, evaluate, test, troubleshoot, and develop cutting-edge technology for aircraft, spacecraft, and defense systems. They create guidelines for quality assurance and design procedures, spot problems with items that aren't functioning properly, and seek to find fixes for such problems. Aerodynamic fluid flow, structural design, guidance, navigation, and control, instrumentation and communication, robotics, and propulsion and combustion are some examples of specializations available to aerospace engineers. They may choose to focus on creating specific categories of aerospace products, including launch vehicles, satellites, military missiles, rockets, remotely piloted aircraft, commercial and military airplanes and helicopters, and rotorcraft, aerodynamics, thermodynamics, celestial mechanics, flight mechanics, propulsion, acoustics, and guidance and control systems are among the topics in which they frequently become experts. Duties and tasks for aircraft engineers. Consider concepts and design specifications. Analyze the technical and financial viability of initiatives. Discuss costs, deadlines, and requirements with clients. Conduct both theoretical and applied research. Determine whether designs adhere to engineering principles by evaluating them. Make sure designs adhere to client specifications. Design, manufacture, and test methods should be directed, coordinated, produced, and implemented. Aircraft, systems, and component performance should be evaluated and improved. Aid in the assembly of aircraft. Examine, test, change, and retest products. Analyze proposed projects to see if they will produce safe aircraft and parts. Make certain that projects adhere to quality requirements. Any stage of the engineering process, including design, analysis, integration, testing, deployment, and maintenance, can benefit from the expertise of an aerospace engineer. Additionally, they can focus on particular analysis subfields like mechanical structural design, dynamics, programming, and electronics. Which universities or institutes offer this program? The best colleges and universities for studying aerospace engineering are listed below. Imperial College London, the UK, the University of Oxford, the UK, the Delft University of Technology, the Netherlands, EPFL, Switzerland, ETH Zurich, Switzerland. Numerous colleges also offer online programs in aircraft engineering. After completing your degree, you should hunt for entry-level jobs and apprenticeships to bolster your credentials. Several effective techniques for aerospace engineers to make money. The business where you completed your internship. Think of local aerospace firms that are both public and private. Employed by NASA. It's challenging to find an engineering job immediately out of college. It is difficult for new engineers to get quick employment because the aerospace business is becoming more saturated every year. As an illustration, you may start off as an aerospace technician. You can easily meet the requirements for a top aerospace engineering career once you've accumulated significant experience. How much do they earn? Average yearly salary for aerospace engineers is close to $118,610. Many seasoned aerospace engineers with postgraduate degrees are promoted to managerial roles where they can make much more money. Don't forget to check these amazing products given in the description box below, no matter if you are an entrepreneur, a student, or an employee.
To find out more about different universities and institutions around the world, which career path to choose, and how entrepreneurs are doing in the field you want to enter, click to the subscribe button below and turn on that notification bell to get notified as soon as Color Me Flared uploads something new and exciting for you.